yang didiagnosis dokter menderita anemia akut.
Anak Indonesia berusia di bawah 5 tahun tercatat mengalami anemia.
Yang kita sebut dengan anemia. Ini sering pada wanita usia muda.
Anemia is a condition where the body lack of blood due to low nutrition intake. Anemia is one of nutritional problem that still suffer many people, especially teenage girls. According to research, there are 45 of teenage girls are suffering from anemia. Wow, that's a high percentage, isn't it? With this high prevalence of anemia, I am Putri Samadianti from Nutrition Department Poltekkes Kemenkes Denpasar will tell you about innovative product that can prevent you from anemia. The name of this product is Wing Bean Seed Cookies. Wing bean seed are one of food that are contain many protein and iron. Therefore, I process this wing bean seed to be wing bean seed flour and then use this flour into make a wing bean seed cookies. Are you curious about how it makes and its result? Let's watch this video.
First step is roast the wing bean seed until fragrant about 7 minutes. After that, crush the wing bean seed by using a blender. The last step is sieve the wing bean seed that have been crushed earlier until you get a very soft wing bean flour. Tara! Wing bean flour can be used to make wing bean cookies. The first ingredient is 70 grams of wheat flour, 38.5 grams of wing bean flour for sample A, 35 grams of wing bean flour for sample B, and 31.5 grams of wing bean flour for sample C. 11 grams of eggs, 34 grams of butter, 28 grams of granular sugar, 22 grams of brown sugar, 0.4 grams of salt, 0.4 grams of baking powder, 0.4 grams of vanilla extract, and the last one is 30 grams of choco chips. The first step is put the granulated sugar, brown sugar, butter, eggs, and vanilla extract into the basin. And then stir all until well blended. After that, add wheat flour, salt, and baking powder to the dough. Add 38.5 grams of wing bean flour to the dough for sample A. Repeat this step by adding different amount of wing bean flour for the dough sample B and C. And then stir all the ingredients until well blended. The next step is add chocolate chips to the dough. And then stir again until well blended. After that, weigh the dog as much as 54 grams. And then print the dog using a mold. This is the appearance of the dog that has been printed. The next step is bake the cookie dough for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 25 minutes, take the cookies out from the oven and let them cool.
Makasih adik-adik, makasih ya udah mau bantuin Bapak Ibu dengan hari ini. Nah, di depan kalian ini udah ada cookies 3 sampel. Di sini udah ada kodenya A, B, dan C. Nah, kenapa diisi kode? Karena tiap cookies ini kandungannya beda-beda. Jadi tujuannya kakak sekarang itu pengen tahu menurut kalian yang mana cookies yang paling kalian unggulkan. Nah, di sini kan sudah ada kan kursi meja. Nah, di sini nama kalian itu isinya nama kalian. Terus ABC ini nanti dicetak warna, aroma, tekstur dan rasanya itu berdasarkan sampel masing-masing. Misalnya kayak yang A ini, menurut kalian warna yang A ini kalian suka atau nggak suka, kayak gitu kan? Terus, nah caranya mencoba itu kan kalian misalnya yang A, kalian gigit atau apalah itu untuk dikonsumsi, terus netralin pakai air, habis itu nanti coba yang B, lagi netralin pakai air, terus yang C, kayak gitu ya. Terus ada yang bisa tanya lagi, yang mungkin yang masih bingung, sudah? Ya. Makasih ya, selamat mencoba.
This organoleptic test was carried out by 20 panelists. From this organoleptic test, it turned out that the wing bean seed cookies sample C had the highest value both in terms of color, smell, taste, and texture. In one pieces wing bean seed cookies for sample C, there are 188.54 calories, 4.32 gram of protein, 7.72 gram of fat, 25.96 gram of carbohydrate, 11.74 microgram for folate acid, 0.2 milligram for vitamin C, and the last one is 1.36 milligram for iron.
To preventing anemia, teenage girls are recommended to consume 5 pieces of wing bean seed cookies in one day. In addition to preventing anemia, these cookies can also increase the body immunity because wing bean seed cookies contain an antioxidant.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's consume these wing bean seed cookies so that your body is not affected by anemia and nutritional problem in Indonesia can be resolved.
Healthy teenage girls are teenage girls who are free from anemia.
Thanks for watching and see you!